Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make a Halo trial server. I know that there are not many videos about this, so today I will be showing you this, and hopefully it will be one of the first videos for Halo trial server. I know this game is pretty old, so hopefully this will be good. Do I mean something? Anyways, so the first thing you do is obviously you want to do port forwarding. So port forwarding is so that you can have other people join your server. So port forwarding do 192.168.1.1. Hopefully you might have some knowledge about this. And I have a Verizon router, so now I'm just going to log in with this router. Keeps on failing every time the first time I do it. There you go. So now I just now I'm on the page, and I just do something quick here. Now I'm on the page, and so this is for my Verizon router. Some people might have Linksys, some people have Netgear, some people have other routers or whatever. So, but for Verizon, and this is not only for Verizon, this is for every single router. You have to do port forwarding for every single router. So this is not just Verizon or whatever. So for Verizon, I go to firewall settings. I click on yes. I go to on the left side. It says port forwarding. Do that, and I will have to, and I have these ports over here, but I'll show you what to do. So just, I have many, like tablets, computers, whatever crap in this section over here. But you want to, basically, you port forward to the computer that is, like, the one active, like the one you're going to host a server on, basically. So you want to do, I'm going to do this computer. Oh no, I'm going to do it with my other laptop because this will be simpler. So I'll do this one. I'll do applications. The application forwards many options like websites and FTPs, and so what I'll do, well, for Halo we'll do custom ports, and it will ask you for TCP or UDP. Some routers will only do one. Some routers will say both, and it really doesn't matter. But for me, I just do both. And then the last part, it will say something random. But what you want to do is you want to type 2302, and that's the first port you need for Halo. So I'll just click on add, and actually I already have one, so it's gonna say that, but it'll look like this. If you're using a Verizon router, it'll look like this. It'll say, destination port 202. It'll say active, and it'll say which computer you have it for. And for the next one, you do the same thing. Oops. You do the same thing. Same computers, same ports, and same custom ports, and same both TCP and UDP. So but this time you do 2303, and this will be the default. Both default, but this will be the default second port that you need to forward. And that one you just click add, and I already have this, so I'm just going to click on cancel, and that will also look like this. And so in your Halo settings, you have to also change it to. I'll show you that after this is done. So let's log out now. So now you got the first step done. Now the second step is now you have to go to your Halo shortcut, or if you don't have one, you should make one, and then so go to your Halo shortcut, which I have in my games folder. So go to your Halo shortcut and just right click on it, and all the way in the bottom it will say properties. Click on properties, and you will see this is highlighted. It will say target, and it will say Halo trial, like halo.exe, and after the quotation marks, then you click right after you click on a space, and you type IP, then you do another space, and you type in the IP, your WAN IP, like not the LAN, but the WAN, kind of like different stuff, but the WAN IP. So that you will be able to find if we do what's my IP.org or whatever, and it will say on the top that it will have your IP. And this one you just copy it or memorize it or whatever, and you just put that down. After putting space, you put that IP down. And for my computer, I have my older IP. It still works. Don't know why, but I'll show you the difference later. So next. So after that you're done, mostly done, but I'll show you some other stuff. After that, you're done setting up the requirements for people to join your server. So now we launch Halo Trial. Let's launch this, and it might look bad because I have this in full screen, but I'm not even using Fraps either. So now we have Halo Trial, and we're going to do multiplayer, and we're going to do internet. Checking for updates, then do Blood Gulch.
What are you doing? Wait, don't wait, no,
Anyways, so now you do. Anyway, so now you do CTF. Okay, and now if let's see, has the server IP on the bottom. If you have something that says like 192.198.1.1 or whatever, then or something like that, then you probably didn't do the last step I told you right. And that you'll have to do that again. You might want to go back to my video, or you might want to go back to my video and try that again because you might have done it wrong. So that's, you just start the game, but instead of that, let me show you something first. Now you've did the ports, right? So now you have to go to profiles, and I have my own profile right here, KMR10. My servers are sometimes up, not all the time, but they used to be up a lot, but they will still be up sometimes. And now you're gonna go to settings. Now make sure you're on the profile you always use, like the main use. Then you're gonna go to settings, and you're gonna go to network setup, and make sure whatever connection type you have. I have TLAN, but T1 LAN, but the server port, the same one. Make sure it's 2302 and 2302, the same ones that you port forwarded last 2 steps ago when I logged into my Verizon router. So make sure you have the 2 same ports that you forwarded. Make sure you have that set up here. And again, this is the profile, the settings, and then network setup, and then you'll find this. So after doing that, you just go to create game internet. If you do LAN is basically if you want to do it through the network, but for internet, you mostly want to do internet. Then you do cellular CTF, whatever you want, okay, and start the game. And I started the game, and now it's just going to give you some proof. I'll show you like that when someone joins the server. And I also know a trick to make your server the first. Someone already joined, pretty quick. Last time I tried this, it was kind of slow, but usually it's pretty quick, so this is good. Oh, you gone to a Banshee, what a noob. Oh god, I'm dead. No! You can't shoot me! And you can add me on X, by the way, you can add me on Xfire on KMR10 is my Xfire name, if you do have one. But that's not really necessary right now. And so he joined, and he is not in my LAN. He is legit online player. I don't know anyone named Casadilliard or whatever. He's a legit player. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video.